In 2010, the adventure team headed for Yarloop. A lot has changed since then.
Everyone got a jerry. We need to fuel up at Yarloop because there's no garage there now. So just need 10 litres to fuel up for the next day. So, has anyone hasn't got 10 litres with them?
Yep.
You haven't got 10 litres to fuel up, haven't you?
Oh? I've got 6.
That's
right. It's nearly a full
So, yeah, as long as you've got enough to fuel up in the morning, Sunday morning, just to get out of there. The garage is not there anymore.
Oh, really?
Okay. Well, Mark, anything else?
Did you bring fuel?
Yeah.
Did you bring fuel?
Yeah. And when we go through drilling up and we go through...
His tank's full, that'd be about right. He's going to be the first one going on the back of a bloody trailer.
The big Suzuki 800 Doctor is almost a collector's item. It's in immaculate condition, almost too good for us to use out on the trail.
We line the bikes up and we'll count them.
Whether we go or whether we don't, we will.
And what are you expecting?
I'm expecting lots of mud, plenty of booze. Oh, actually riding as well. A bit of riding in there somewhere.
Now, this is Mick. What do you think of the global financial crisis?
He gives a shit right now, Ed. We're going riding today, so...
All right.
2 days.
And what are you expecting?
I'm expecting a good time.
Good.
With all you fellas.
Thank you.
Great.
Riding the 800, fantastic. It's really good to have you here. What are you expecting?
Stay upright.
I bet you do. Hello, William.
Good to see you.
William, what makes you happy?
I can't tell you, Ed. That's all a bit personal.
So Trent, we're here to have a good time. So what are you expecting?
Just have a lot of fun.
Certainly hope you do.
Thanks for having us, Ed. We're going to be enjoying the ride. We're saying mate.
So Jeff, how are you finding the GFC, Global Financial Crisis?
Well, I haven't bought a new bike yet, but maybe when things brighten up I might.
What sort of bike are you going to buy?
I might buy one of those Bergs.
Really?
Yes, Mr. Pittman.
What's the attraction of a Berg?
No, they look good. I like the colour.
Oh, right.
Maybe something a bit lighter next time as you get a bit older.
So what about a 125 KTM? They look pretty good.
They do look good, but I'm not really into 2-strokes.
No, okay.
So I like my 4-stroke. But we've got a Suzuki Big over there. It's an 800cc. It's a monster. Weighs about 250 kilos. Lucky we've got a big guy riding it, but he's doing well.
He's throwing it around like
He's
nothing.
throwing it.
Now, Pete, I notice you're managing to fly all around there pretty well. This is your home territory.
Oh, definitely I like this stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, very good.
Very nice.
Yep.
Good work.
Feel at home.
Thank you.
I swapped bikes with Jace back there and that was excellent.
Oh, is that what happened?
Get back on a 4-stroke. Gee, it was good. Ed, who taught me into the 2-stroke? The smelly bloody thing. The
You don't
oil
smell
in my
it.
backpack's giving me
Weighing you down?
back. And,
Other than that, it's all right?
Yeah, in the nostrils. Yeah, no, they're good.
Morning.
How are you going with it?
Good, great. Awesome ride.
And what you expected?
Better.
Yeah, that's good.
Good that it rained. No dust. Yeah. So, yeah. Great.
Yeah.
A lot of traction is good.
Oh, okay. And it hooks in.
And Jason?
I did the swapsy with the 300 and I think I'm sold. Back to 2-stroke.
Back to 2-stroke.
Back to 2-stroke.
So you've done a complete swap.
Yeah.
First time you change.
Okay, it looks like we're ready to roll and head for Dwelling Up for our lunch break. Unfortunately, Greg ended up with a flat tyre, and with help from several others, he managed to have another 3 punches in his tube before it was fixed. And no names mentioned.
So Jason, you've ridden here to Dwelling Up today.
Yes.
Had a good run.
That's been good.
And
a little bit of a crash.
Yeah, only a little
All
one.
was good. All was good. So.
And we're heading for Yarloop.
Yes. So hopefully we'll get there in a decent time and it won't be dark.
It might be dark the way we're going.
had troubles with it before with the starter drive and the nuts dead. Started again. So back there. It's every time I go tired today. How's the weather? He's asking to ride his bike. Weather's fine. Yeah, I can get over that. 300. So you got a backpack? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, nah, this is living.
That ain't living, George.
Yeah, this is living.
Got enough jam?
Oh yeah, just. Yeah, 3 things. Yeah, Johnny, just enough though. A bit measly with the gem there.
Is it?
But what a great night. Had a top night.
Good sleep?
Yeah, the little bit I got, yeah, it was quality. The 3 hours I got was quality. Apart from the snoring and the farting and the training just didn't go past.
Shook you up a bit.
Yeah, it shook you to sleep, the trains. I just wish they'd come a bit more constant. Oh, it's been great. I'm glad you invited me. All the best.
Joel, did you have a good sleep?
Yeah, not too bad. Couple of hours.
Yeah.
That's all you need.
More than you need.
More than you need. Yeah, that's it. Kim reckons.
How would Kim know he didn't have any? Hey, you going without me?
Yeah, come on, Ed. Hurry up. Come on, mate. You're always fussing around with that camera.
I don't want to miss anything.
Nothing to miss.
And
Went to bed at 8:30 then.
so Andrew's been all right so far? You got some sleep? You got some sleep?
Yeah, that was quite good.
Oh,
Bed
good.
at, I don't know, 1:30, 2 o'clock, so I went to bed quite early. I was getting up at 2 o'clock in the morning, so it was early. I woke up about, I don't know, 7.
This is my bedroom in the main lounge room of the Yarloop Hotel.
Yeah, we will do. Yeah.
So what happened? Your throttle?
Throttle, plastics, I think engine shark. Yeah.
The engine?
Yeah, it's not sounding too good.
Oh really?
Yeah, so
Oh, that's no good.
hope I'll get a new bike off it, so that's all good. Turns out all good.
Oh good. Bloody late. Which way are we going back?
I believe along the river again on the south side.
Alright.
But
Could be a bit hairy there with all the cars.
trying to find it could be an issue as well.
Yeah.
Video of that dog because it's going to be bigger than those Shetland ponies next time we pass him.